Nice start. Nice start. Yeah, nice start. Set the tone. Beautiful delivery. Wow. Pace. But just watch this for a bit of bounce.
Abdullah has been really impressive. In the first game, he got a couple of wickets. Just look at that follow through from Mardan.
Oh, it's a beautiful shot. It's so good because he knows third is up in the circle and he's just staying deep.
I'm not sure if I like the field setting. He's taking the ball away. There's no third. And Basit Ali is too good to miss that one. The two fielders outside are deep fine and deep square. All Basit Ali had to do was just time this ball.
Yeah, that's all right. And I understand that, get deep square leg back. Just like that. And it's just a better field. Oh, nice. A little bit of swing. And she's decent over. 5 without loss. Yeah, just undercuts it a little bit. But a little bit of late swing. That's one thing I would say about... Can't bowl there. Cannot bowl there to a man in form. As Ali will just put away half volleys so easily.
The best thing about his batting is the simplicity. He keeps things simple. It was full and wide. Excellent timing. Easy for him. 4 runs. This such little margin of error against Basit Ali. If you go full, he's going to punish you. If you go shorter, he's going to punish you.
Oh, he's got a nick. He has the big wicket. What a catch as well. Full swing, and Basit Ali is out. It's a shock here in the ground.
It's the big wicket of Basit Ali. Mohammad Nabil is the bowler, taking the ball away from Basit Ali. The delivery was good, but so was the catch. Just look at that. Excellent reach onto the right side. Throwing himself away, the wicket keeper, Daud Nazar. He took a blinder yesterday as well. And Mohammad Nabil gets the highest scorer of the tournament so far. Basit Ali has to walk back for 9. Bahawalpur 9 for 1.
In at 3. Abdul Razak's son. You've just got it. Chipped. This one chipped over the bowler.
This is the first time we are watching Ali Razak bat, son of Abdul Razak. Not a very confident start. There can be nerves.
Oh, nearly chops this on. What an over from Mohammad Nabil. 5 runs from it, and the big wicket of Basit Ali. 2 overs gone, 10 for 1. That's well bowled. Oh. Pick up a single. I'm not sure why they took out the first slip. Well, I like it. Finish it off with a bouncer, and it's fine. 3 overs gone. 11 for 1. Amel Khan into the attack then and swing straight away. The Rawalpindi Raiders over the winning line, so 24 hours later, ball in hand. Oh, just went too much. Has he picked the fielder out? No. Just tried that magic delivery, as we call it, trying to swing it from outside leg stump.
Yes, he wants to bring it in from outside. It was not a good delivery, but it could have almost got him a wicket if it had carried to the fielder. It went straight to the direction of the deep square leg fielder.
Hold to mid-on, so another dot delivery. Just a bit of frustration for Razak, and pulled back past the bowler. This will be a little bit of relief for the Royals. They have a boundary to finish off the 4 overs. It's 17 for 1.
This was a release shot from Ali Razak. They were just 12, 13 off almost the 4 overs. Important to get a boundary in this over. Straight down the ground.
Oh, this one just gets a little bit of an inside edge. Hits it over the infield. It'll go down to third and should do just one again. Just add a little bit of momentum to these first 6 overs. The lowest power play so far is 24 for 4, and that was the Giants. Oh, nearly. Sat in the surface again.
Emil starts with a very good delivery.
Now, there's certainly been a fair bit of movement through the air this evening.
Nicely worked through the onside. Powerful enough. Goes into the boundary line for 4. That's a fine looking stroke from the captain.
Yeah, this is too straight, too full. He's just waited for the ball to come within his zone. Just tucked it away off the pads nicely. Good effort on the boundary. Outfield's been lightning throughout. Not able to get there.
First game they got 59 for 1. Second game 62 for 2. At the moment way below what they've achieved on average in the past. Very good short delivery, just rushed him. Luckily for Razak, the fine leg was within the 30-yard circle and he gets 4.
Yeah, you got to try and make sure you've got protection when you go for that short ball, because if you get a top edge like that, no fine leg, then easy opportunity to get runs. I'll tell you what, the short balls that we've seen throughout so far, Darren, have really gone through. Good bounce, good pace. Well fielded at backward point. Won't stop them from getting the single.
Zik Oil. Zik Motor Oil unveiled the reel, peel the label to win via lucky draw. Every week prizes worth millions. Last delivery of the 6th. Last delivery in the power play. And it's a good one. So after 6, 30 for 1, end of the power play.